Okay, so today I'm stepping out of my comfort zone to create the most fierce cut crease. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this stunning cut crease. Although it's so fierce, it's so wearable. And I was inspired by Hamda Makeup on Instagram, who I'm going to link down below in the description box. And now without further delay, let's begin. For a change and for my brows, I'm going to be using the Butter Palm Feathered Micro Brow Pen. This is by Physicians Formula and it's a new product. This is an ultra precise, transfer resistant, smudge resistant, budge resistant sketch pen for your brows. First impression, I kind of like it because I have very thick brows. All I have to do is fill in the sparse areas. But I'll be very honest with you, I cannot see myself drawing a complete brow with this. I think that'll start looking fake. But just to fill in the brows, I like it. Using the Milani concealer in the shade 145, I'm going to clean up underneath the brows as well as use it on my lid as a primer for the eyeshadows. I get a lot of questions about the brush that I'm using, and I have a video coming about it because with every video I post, there's a lot of you asking me what brush it is and what else you can use it for, so stay tuned for that video. To prevent this concealer from creasing, I'm going to set it with the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil Powder. Hands down, the best powder for me personally in the entire universe. Okay, now for the eye makeup, I'm going to be using the Love for Sale palette. This is by House Labs, starting with the black eyeshadow called Let's Do It. Using an angled brush, I'm going to pull out a big wing in the outer corner, starting with my crease line. As you can see, that line that passes right across my lid is my natural crease. So starting with that, I'm going to pull out a line and then join it to my lash line. As you know, I have hooded eyes, so I'm going over the hood. And then using the same black eyeshadow, I'm going to start shading this wing, starting with the outermost point, pulling it towards the lid. And then using a smaller, more detailed flat shader brush, I'm going to further pull this eyeshadow towards the center of the lid. So I get a nice ombre of shades from the deepest in the outermost corner. And as it moves towards the lid, it becomes lighter and lighter. That in itself looks so stunning. I don't mind applying some mascara and calling it done, but we're doing something else today. I'm going to use the same eyeshadow with a flat shader brush and carve out my inner crease. And then I'm going to start shading that black eyeshadow towards the lid. And as you can see, I've left a gap right in the center of the lid. So the inner third and outer third are covered with black eyeshadows, and right in the center we'll do a pop of highlight. And for that, I'm using this beautiful green metallic called Nina. I'm going to pop it right in the center of the lid, and you can see how stunning that is. You can also apply with your finger if you're comfortable. And then I'm going to blend out the edges so they flow in with the black eyeshadow. To balance out with the lid, I'm going to be doing the same in my lower lash line, using the black eyeshadow in the outer and inner corners with the small flat shader brush. And I'm going to be using Nina in the center, but with lower lash lines, it's harder to get a pigment payoff. So I'm going to use a little bit of concealer before I apply the shimmer eyeshadow. And now you can see how that eyeshadow pops. I felt like I needed that extra pop right in the center of the lid, so I'm guilty of doing this. I'm dipping into my favorite eyeshadow again. It's called Side to Side from the Sweet Talk eyeshadow palette from ColourPop. I love this glitter so much, so I'm going to pop just a tad bit right in the center. Okay, that is it. That does it for me. Now it's time to finish up with some mascara and lashes, so I'm going to curl my lashes. And for mascara, I'm using the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. Now, because this eye look is so fierce, I'm going with lashes today, and I'm going to be using one of my favorites, Rich AF by Tati Lashes. And here's the finished eye look. I just love the way it turned out. What do you think? Would you try this look? Let me know in the comments section. Now let's finish up with some lipstick before I show you the entire look. Going with the neutral nude brown lip by Ofra in Calle Ocho. I'm going to top that off with the Bare Minerals lip gloss in Serenity. I love the way those nude lips balance out the fierce eyes. And here is the completed look. I'm obsessed, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments section. And if you enjoyed this video and would like to watch more videos like these, Comment below and let me know. Give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. I've listed all the products in the description box right below this video. Are you following me on Instagram and TikTok yet? If not, the links are down below in the description box as well. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.